Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable Hyper-V or WSL2 and install Docker Desktop. You choose WSL2 backend because it integrates with Linux containers and is faster. Once Docker Desktop is installed, sign in or skip for now and set resources WSL integration for your distro. Then open PowerShell or a WSL shell, create a project folder, and add a basic Docker file with from, copy, and cmd. This gets you into the build run loop immediately. Once your Docker file is ready, build the image with docker build tmyap, latest, and watch the build output to catch missing files or syntax errors. After a successful build, run the container with docker run p8080, 80 rm name myap, latest so you can access it locally. Make sure to map ports and set environment variables as needed. If you must tweak the image, edit the Docker file, rebuild, and repeat. Use Docker logs and Docker exec to inspect running containers while you iterate. To finish, convert repetitive Docker run commands to a Docker compose. Iml so you manage multiple services easily and version the composition. Make sure to add volumes for persistent data and set restart policies for resilience. Once done, Docker compose up D brings the stack up. Docker compose down removes it. If things go wrong, first restart Docker Desktop, then verify your WSL distro is running and integrated, and check Docker Compose config and container logs. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.